So what was it like to integrate the two products?
Uh, Integrating SensrTrx and Fiix, yeah, I mean it was seamless from our side because you just plugged in some of the asset numbers, and then we started seeing the meter counts rise on Fiix. Um, the the biggest change or shift for us was probably trying to get from a time-based mindset, because that's how we've done it because we've had no better option for all these years,
Yeah.
into a meter reading or count-based mindset. Um, there's some items that still make sense to keep on time-based, just because of the way we run our operations, but there's certainly some items, just like I always think about it, like car maintenance, 6 months or whatever, 5,000 miles. It's the same with our machines. So we can kind of use the two in combination.
Yeah.
Um, our production is really steady, which is a good thing. So a lot of times we know we make uh, whatever, 1 million cycles a week. So it's roughly going to be 12 weeks, but that doesn't always hold. So now having that actual information on total cycles lets us get more precise.